In this video, I am going to teach you how to add the sticky header to card.co. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over to their website, which is card.co. You can see in here that you can choose a starting point or you can also log in. If you choose this starting point, you will be prompted to choose a template that you want to utilize, and you can also sign up at the same time. Using this login button will allow you to log in if you already have an account. So since I already have an account, let me choose this one. Now, once you have logged in, you should be able to see all of the designs that you have. So I have in here this specific design, and this design have this header. Now, I want to make this header sticky. So we have two methodologies in order to do that. First thing that you can do is you can create a header structure and add an embed element. Click onto this plus icon and you can click onto this embed. However, do take note that the embed option is only available with Pro Standard, and since I already have the Pro free trial, it's not available to me. However, if it's indeed available to you, choose the embed, type the code, and define a specific region as the header. So just choose or give the embed a descriptive name like sticky, then add the CSS that you want. I'll show you in here an actual code from this. Here you can see the actual embed code. Just copy and post your screen and screenshot it and then copy this and then add it on your code from to this part. Now in here you can just click onto this publish icon and test if it's actually gonna be a sticky header from this part, and it should be able to be utilized from this way as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.